We out here at White Sands, about to get this workout. Say what's up to the people, Chris.
What up, though?
And then there's Marcelo. He's ignoring the camera because he thinks he's cool. But anyway, about to get this hill workout. Let's go. We are at the beach.
Yo,
Yo,
it's snowing at the beach, y'all.
it is snow at the beach.
We're gonna hit the water coming up.
That imaginary water. Because this is sand.
It's actually gypsum.
Shut up. I hate you.
Hydrous calcium sulfate is rarely found as sand because it is soluble in water. What?
You don't even know what you're talking about.
Yeah, let me read the Asian directions.
Whoa. Whoa.
No, I'm playing. That was Japanese.
No, read it in Spanish.
Sudesta White Sands es una experiencia inconmensurable, pero es importante. No. Italian, Korean, Japanese, and Mandarin. I said Mandarin.
It's like the oranges.
Those are called cuties.
That's what you call your wife. That's what I call my wife.
Tangerine.
It's a tangerine, yeah.
That's what you call it.
Yeah. Tangy, for short.
Tangy.
If I had a wife.
If you had a.
Here we are. That's the hill we'll be doing. That's the crew.
From the ground up?
Yeah. There's an ending point.
I'm ready for this.
Yeah. Marcelo?
Let's do it. Screw it. Alright, let's start.
Go.
Are you not entertained?
Set. Oh my gosh. Set. Go.
In the hills, at the beach. Woo! Who's gonna win? Darks or Mauricio? We'll see. Set, go! How you gonna get out the picture?
Who won?
Who won? I'm gonna say
Like, I would have won if I was with you.
You're the judge. What you say?
won. I'm gonna say dark.
Woo! What's up, Marcelo? Where you at?
I mean, he's a Casper in it though.
Casper.
He just threw it out of the string.
Go. Set. Go. You keep falling.
We're getting much harder trying to catch him and pull him. Trying to trip him.
Ooh.
Oh, my knee. My knee really started hurting.
Woo-hoo, coach. Oh, he finna lose with that direct pass.
All right. What you gonna see is gonna take the lead. On your marks. Set. Hit. Hey. Dive. And Darks wins again.
Yo, I got him. He ain't in the peripheral.
Ain't even in the peripheral. Heard what he said? Peripheral. You know what I'm saying? At the beach. We got water in the containers down low. See what I'm saying?
Chris is like the young Morgan Freeman.
the beach life. Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Whoa. Hi.
All right, it's on you. Stride it out.
I'm tired, dude.
Strides, strides. Noise.
Well, you're built like
Yeah,
Leonardo.
I mean, a little leg. Built like a turtle. That's an insult. Sand.
He called you a black ninja turtle.
Black Ninja Turtle.
Keep going.
And now, the Jamaican bobsled team. Well, it is white Jamaicans. Because of Marley. I mean, you're the Cuban Jamaican. Samoan Jamaican. The Hawaiian Jamaican. The Jamaican Jamaican. His heart is Jamaican. Feel the rhythm.
Feel the ride. Get on up. It's White Sands time.
It's like a 10-pound.
Hey. Nice.
You gotta go all the way up.
Yeah. And I'll give you a head start.
All right. Set. Go.
No.
Devin L. Bright. All right.
Go.
I'll give you that one because I made a mistake.
Disqualified. The winner.
All right.
C. Wilson. What you got to say to the people?
You know, you never know, you know.
Go. I'm gonna go ahead and give that one to Devin.
What? What was the hip placement? All right, y'all, this is the losers bracket.
Single elimination.
Side shuffles. Halfway.
Got the number 1 seed.
It's the number 1 losers bracket. I'm sorry if I'm breathing heavy on this video. But my heart.
Going spice.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Hey. Uh-oh. Ooh! And Darks wins again. Now Mauricio.
He got that one.
Marcelo, all right.
Scared because that came exactly what I expected to happen. You know, first round we took an L. You know, we always come back.
Oh, dang. All right, Ray Lewis, calm down. I mean, Troy. What's good, y'all? Hard work.
Hard work.
Keep going, having fun.
Thank you for joining us over at White Sands. This beautiful, beautiful national monument.
Yeah, big monument. That boy got a list.
Thank you for joining us again.
You.
Tune in next time and watch our death. Hey y'all, just as a reminder, we are selling our t-shirts on our TeePublic page. We got the logo shirts both in white and in black versions of the logo, as well as the Make Athletics Great Again shirt, and that shirt is fresh, just gotta say that. Anyway, the link is gonna be in the description, so go show your support, buy yourself a shirt, and we will see y'all in the next vlog.